Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to log out on Facebook of all devices at once. Now, first thing that you need to do is just to open your Facebook application on your device and then click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on the gear icon, okay, this one here, the top corner as well. And then click on see more in account center. Now, click on password and security. This one under the personal details. Okay. So right after that, click on the where you're logged in under the security checks. As you can see here, these are the devices that you have logged into in the past few days or past few weeks. So now, just click on select devices to log out. So from here, just choose the device that you want to log out your account, or you can also click on select all to log out on all of that accounts at once. And then after that, just click on the log out option at the bottom corner of your screen, and you'll be log out of all devices that you have logged into. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.